The potential safety issues raised by some experts and consumers about the interference of AM radio signals with the electric components and batteries of the vehicles. AM radio is a long-standing tradition in American cars, providing news, traffic, weather, sports, and entertainment for nearly 100 years. But some electric car makers, such as Ford, Tesla, BMW, Audi and Volvo, have decided to drop AM radio from their models, citing electromagnetic interference from the electric motors as a reason. Electromagnetic interference occurs when the rapidly fluctuating voltage from the electric motors generates frequencies that are similar to AM radio signals. This can cause static, noise, distortion, buzzing and fading in the audio quality of AM radio stations. Some drivers may find this annoying or frustrating, especially if they rely on AM radio for information or entertainment. But there is more than just annoyance at stake. Some broadcasters and advocates have warned that removing AM radio from electric cars could pose a safety risk for drivers and communities. AM radio is one of the most widespread and reliable sources of emergency information during natural disasters, such as hurricanes, floods, wildfires and earthquakes. AM radio can also alert drivers to road hazards, traffic jams, accidents and weather conditions. According to U.S. News and World Report, AM radio reaches 95% of Americans every week and covers 99% of the U.S. population. It can also operate on backup generators when other forms of communication fail. In contrast, FM radio, satellite radio and streaming services may have limited coverage, require subscriptions or depend on internet access. Some experts have suggested that electromagnetic interference from electric motors can be reduced or eliminated with proper engineering solutions, such as shielding cables, filters and careful placement of the electrical components in the vehicle. However, these solutions may require additional costs and efforts from car makers, who may not see enough demand or value in keeping AM radio in their electric vehicles. Some car makers have offered alternative ways for drivers to access AM radio stations in their electric vehicles, such as through HD radio technology, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or TuneIn streaming service. However, these options may not be available or compatible with all devices or stations, and they may also depend on internet access or cellular network coverage. Therefore, some drivers and listeners may feel that they are losing a vital connection to their local communities and a crucial source of news and information in emergencies if they switch to electric cars without AM radio. They may also miss out on the rich variety and diversity of programming that AM radio offers.